the time. I'm just
Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I just taught myself how to French braid. I don't think I'm even doing it right, to be honest. You're probably wondering what is going on with this hideous hair, but that's basically the reason I've been wearing my hair in braids and trying new things, is to hide this. So yeah, if you guys want to like see how I do this look, then just like keep on watching. All right, so first things first, my hair hasn't been washed for like 2 days. I highly recommend you do this because your hair is just easier to work with when it's dirty and your lip gloss and your hair's not in your lip gloss. What the? So if your hair is a little dirty like mine, you just spray a little dry shampoo in there. I love using the Dove brand. It smells so good. I always get, like, I'll put perfume on and then I'll do my dry shampoo and people are like, oh my God, what's that smell? And then like basically describing the smell of my dry shampoo, like coconut. I'm like, so I should just not even buy perfume anymore. I should just wear dry shampoo. Or there is a foam version of the dry shampoo, which you just foam into your hands and kind of run right through, but you do need to wash your hands because I touched Chris one time when he was wearing a black shirt and it looked like a crime scene. Also, lately I've been using leave-in conditioner. I'll just spray my hair with that all over and basically just leave it in my braids all day, and it's really helped tremendously for my ends. And as you can see, my roots look clean and fresh. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do for this tutorial is split the hair directly down the middle. If you have bangs, you can leave those out. Doesn't have to be perfect. I suck at splitting my hair, but to me that looks just fine. And I'm gonna do that down the back and split it in half, just like so. All right, so I already did one side of my head just to kind of show you guys what you're starting with. We're gonna have one chunk of hair right here, about yay big, and hanging down like this, I'm just going to split it into 3 sections. And I'm holding on to this one with this hand. In the middle of my fingers, I have this strand, and with my thumbs, I have this strand. So that's kind of how I'm holding them. I want you guys to think of these hands like twisting. So the middle piece, you're always going to be twisting a piece over it. So the outside piece, I'm going to go ahead and twist just like this and grab this piece, twist it, and then I'm gonna grab this piece, twist it. The piece that's on the outside is gonna grab some hair right at the scalp like this, and I always use my finger to kind of like turn it back around. And then this piece is gonna go over, twist it over. The bottom piece is gonna grab some hair as well. And then we're gonna twist this one over the middle. Grab some more hair at the root, but I'll like, when I twist my hand like this, I'll separate it with my finger. And then we wanna twist this hand back over and then put more hair into the bottom, the new bottom piece. Twist the top hand over. Pull some hair. Twist the bottom, and you want to keep making sure that you pull it tight like this. Twist the top over, and I'm going to grab this chunk of hair right here. Twist it over, and you're just going to keep doing this until we get to the bottom of the head. Always make sure you're pulling new hair from the left strand and the right strand, not the middle strand. And right about here at the nape of the neck, I'm going to stop, and I'm going to be taking an elastic band. Just wrap that around twice. And then I'm going to pull it tight like this. And then I forgot to pull out some hair right here, so I'm going to try to gently yank some hair out of here. Now I'm just gonna mess up these braids a little bit by pulling some of the outer pieces. I'm holding this tight so it doesn't get all super loose. Oh my god, you know when you're like blinking so much, your mascara just like gets all over the top of your eyes. So this is how the final product should look. It's just a fast and easy way for me to not have to use heat on my hair. You could straighten these ends, you could curl these ends, you could put mousse in these ends to kind of like beach them up. But like I said, I'm not trying to like damage my hair right now, so I just kind of like after I shower, I do this and I just kind of like go. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I will see you next time.